Hello class. In this video I will give a short introduction to the idea of nature versus nurture. What does that mean? And then you can watch a lecture video about this topic. But first, let's look at some vocabulary from the lecture and from this introduction presentation. The first word is DNA. DNA means the chemicals in your body that create you. So in your DNA you have genes. Genes are sort of like switches inside your body that give your cells information to create you. And so every living thing has DNA, including plants and animals and people. The next word, innate. Innate means something that is from your DNA, something that you are born with. So innate means from your DNA, built in. Disease. Disease is a type of sickness, and there's various causes of diseases. Some diseases are caused by a virus, some diseases are caused by DNA. The next word, unavoidable. Unavoidable means it cannot be stopped. There is nothing to prevent this thing from happening. So something that is unavoidable, it will happen. And next, lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerant means, well, it's sort of like a disease. If you have this, it means you can't drink milk. If you drink a lot of milk, it will make you sick. This is called lactose intolerant. Some people are lactose intolerant and some are not. So again, this is caused by your genes, by your DNA. If you have lactose intolerance, it means you can't drink milk. Okay, so the topic of this lecture is nature versus nurture. So what is this? So this is from the question, who are you? Like your characteristics. For example, your personality, your body, things you like, things you don't like, your hobbies, everything. These are your characteristics. And the question is, what is the reason for these characteristics? For example, if you're a happy person, like a happy personality, why are you happy? Is it because of nature or because of nurture? And scientists throughout history have battled about this. Nature or nurture? Which one is the reason for our characteristics? So let's talk about the meaning of these two things. We'll start with nature. Nature means from your DNA, innate, something you were born with, something that you can't easily change. For example, if you're a happy person, are you happy because it's in your DNA or happy for another reason? So this is nature, in your DNA. And the other side is nurture. Nurture means from your environment, something you learn. So again, back to the example of being happy. Are you happy because you have a good job and you live in a nice country? Those are examples of nurture. So again, nurture from your environment, something you learn, not from your DNA. Okay, now please go to the class webpage and answer these discussion questions about nature or nurture. So these characteristics, again, for example, your personality or your body or your likes or dislikes, which of these characteristics are caused by nature and which of these characteristics are caused by nurture? So after you finish those warm-up questions, then you can watch the lecture.